What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Black Sheep Family TV. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, be down with the gang, join the family. Don't forget to subscribe to my husband's channel. It's the featured channel on my channel. It's his channel, Jay's Place. Subscribe to him. We was gonna do this video together, but we're going to do a different video about Juju together. Yeah, also, Jay's Place is linked in the description, which is my husband, which is Juju Daddy. This is Julian. If you're new here, if you just now started watching me, if you just now came, thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for joining the family. This is Julian. We call him Juju. He's watching Blaze, so he ain't paying me no attention. Oh, hi. How you doing? Skirt. So, also, my Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook is in the description as well as my store, which is blacsheep.com. It should be somewhere at the bottom of the screen, somewhere, or whatever. I sponsor my own videos. Okay, so I had to fix you guys. So, I wanted to come on here and do an update because I think it's been a month since I did the last update with either one of the boys. So if you are old, you know, Julian has been diagnosed with autism, and we honestly kind of took that kind of hard. We kind of knew that he was going to be diagnosed with it, but we didn't take our Julian.
Oh no.
We didn't. Oh no. He over here just trying to spill the tea, trying to tell us how we took his diagnosis. And like after doing research, we have realized that he can grow out of it, he cannot grow out of it. Jay's not really scared of it. Jay think he's going to grow out of it. I don't know. Also, y'all, check out the new background I have. Since somebody likes Paw Patrol, I decided to get a Paw Patrol background. So yeah, that's Chase directly behind me. I guess I should sit here so when he look back on his videos, he'll see his favorite character, which is Chase. Over here is Marshall. Didn't nobody send me this. I just decided to, when I do the updates, to have a background that was kind of kid friendly, kind of fun for a background, because he kind of too big to do these in like a nursery or anything like that. So yeah, but he was diagnosed with autism June 17th. I don't even think I did vlog that. I put that up. I put some of that up. Okay, the audio's messed up on it though. So he was diagnosed with autism. We might have to start going back to the thickener because his eyes kind of water when he drinks sometimes still when it's too loose. We have thickened here, so we have just started putting it back into his juices and stuff like that, his drinks. His speech therapist think that he's still aspirating when he drinks. Aspirating or not. So yeah, also she believes that he's having what's that? Silence or absent seizures or something like that, which means it happens for a few seconds, then it go away, but it's kind of like your child daydream and stuff like that. We have noticed that Juju does do that, but we thought it was true because like he'll be talking, playing, or he'll be just doing something, then he just blanks there kind of. And she said that could be what he's having, to basically go ahead and get him retested, because we did get him tested to make sure that he wasn't having seizures, because he was doing a real stiff move, like he was just stiffening up. His hands was looking like this, and that's all he was doing. So we wanted to make sure that he wasn't having seizures that nobody know about. Seizures don't run in my family. I don't think they run in Jay family either. So yeah, autism don't run in either one of our families either. So we both are like learning autism and everything that could be wrong with him. The good news about if he is having those type of seizures, he can grow out of it, or medication will stop it. So that's the good news with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the regular update, because y'all know he not gonna let me be great. Juju. Yeah, I can't believe that I turned on the camera and he wanted to record. So you know I gotta seize all advantage of this, honey. So I put Yeah, I put he needs a jail ticket. We have flashcards and little baby like chase books. I showed you guys in the unboxing of flashcards and the books. I Amazon unboxing. If not, I will probably just link it somewhere in this video. He don't need his shoe bracelets no more. He is eating table food. He's still throwing stuff. He still like to be outdoors and in the water. He still had the same 16 teeth. The sleep good at night is just sometimes, cause sometimes he will sleep in his bed and do just fine. Sometimes he'll get out his bed, get under Jackson's crib, I guess where he might feel safe. And that could be something with autism we didn't. Uh-oh. Your drink. You go get it. Hey. You done? You gonna just stand there? That's what you say. You made uh-oh. Shoot made uh-oh, man. Yeah, it just depends. Sometimes he sleeps in his own bed. Sometimes he sleeps under Jackson's bed. And it's not like, before people start in the comments, it's not like we know that he's under his bed and just have him sleep there. Like, we will move him from up under the bed, put him back in his bed, he'll get back under the bed. We don't know if he do it 30 minutes to an hour later, so we have gotten up and waited for him to get back under his bed to kind of redirect him. Oh man, no, that's all we do is keep redirecting. I don't want any of your drink. I don't want any of your drink, Juju. It's a handsome man.
Truck.
That is a car. That's not a truck. What are you talking about?
A truck.
Car. A red car.
Bye.
Let's stop it, ladies. That's Lightning McQueen. So yeah, and then he also was sleeping in Jackson's bed. He knows how to get in and out of Jackson's bed to the point where he taught Jackson how to get in and out of his own bed. So yeah, so the sleeping is kind of all over the place right now. And like I said, some of this stuff could be to do with autism. Some of it could be just perfectly normal. So it says that he wakes up in the middle of the night. Yes, he does. In pajamas, he wear PJs, he wear a 4T. In regular clothes, he can wear like a 3T. A 3T fits him perfect. But if I wanted to kind of be able to wear it next summer till we just stock up on summer clothes, we get him a 4T. So it just really depends on what they have. He's still in the size 8 in shoes. He wears size 5 in Pampers, but we just switched to pull-ups because we're trying to go ahead and potty train him. And he's in a size 2T to 3T in pull-ups. He's still 31 pounds. He's doing better with the haircuts. He will take off his diaper sometimes. But he really hasn't been doing it lately, like within the last 30 days lately. He still loves to play with cars, trucks, stuff like that. He still laughs at cartoons. He dances to music. He's playing with his brother. I put on here he's being careful. He's not being careful no more. But they are fighting like cats and dogs. Like, they'd be fighting each other but laughing at the same time. So we don't know if they're just playing with each other or what they're doing. But they'd be mad at each other one minute and the next minute they'd be hugging each other. So, yeah. We still don't know when he moving classes. We did have a meeting maybe 2 weeks ago, and I will do more than likely a separate video about what's been going on while we had to have a meeting with the director. So yeah, he still loves bath time. He feed himself some things he can't really do, but a lot of stuff he can feed himself. I try to make him food that he can feed himself with. He is saying a few colors. He's saying blue, yellow, green, and trying to say red.
Green.
That's green. It's green. Whatever. He's still getting on and off the couch by himself. He's saying a few cartoons, as y'all know, Paw Patrol. He knows Chase. He don't say nobody else name but Chase. He knows Blaze, SpongeBob, stuff like that. Also, with him being diagnosed with autism, we was trying to put him in soccer. Well, I take that back. We had been trying to put him in soccer, but the fact that he has autism, they have a special program that he might be able to still play soccer with. We didn't think he'd be able to play soccer. Hey, Jackson. Somebody got up from his nap. I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna try to put him in daycare.
No.
We might try to find him a different daycare as far as to help him with his autism. Maybe that kid is specializing. I don't know. We kind of want him to stay where he started it, but we having problems at this daycare, so we will do a separate video about that. Juju,
No.
Juju, you gonna tell him bye bye? Yeah, he ain't got answer. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye, YouTube. Say bye. Juju. So you just not telling them bye? You just not telling them bye? Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say see you later. See y'all later. Appreciate y'all for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to Jay's Place. His channel is in the description. In the link in the bio. This boy is actually soaking wet, y'all. What did he get himself into? Anyway, the link is in the description. He was taking a nap before anybody come for me. The link is in the description to Jay's Place, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram in the description. blacsheep.com, which is my store, in the description. So, yeah, see you guys on the next video. Peace.